This model, available as sedan, often called Sportback, and Avant Estate, replaces both the previous RS4 and RS5 lines with a single, electrified powerhouse. Freshly revealed and already turning heads, it combines massive power gains, advanced quattro technology, and a bold new look, while addressing the demands of modern efficiency. Let's dive straight into what makes this RS model so special, starting from the outside and moving through every key detail. The exterior design takes aggression to a new level. The front end is dominated by an enormous honeycomb grille that occupies most of the fascia, giving the RS5 a menacing, purposeful face unlike anything before from Audi Sport. Darkened matrix LED headlights feature a unique checkered flag projection pattern, adding a motorsport-inspired flair. Large air intakes below the lights, forged carbon air curtains, and a wider track contribute to the car's planted stance. The body has grown significantly wider by about 90 millimeters compared to the standard A5 platform, with bulging fenders, sculpted side sills, and optional carbon fiber elements on the mirrors and trim that emphasize its performance credentials. Wheel options go up to 21 inches, often with high-performance tires and ceramic brakes available for ultimate stopping power. Along the sides, the proportions feel muscular and athletic. Long hood, short overhangs, and a low roofline that flows into a subtle deck lid spoiler on the sedan or a roof spoiler on the Avant. The overall silhouette is more coupe-like in the sedan form, while the Avant offers practical versatility with its wagon rear. At the back, a full-width LED light bar connects the taillights. A massive rear diffuser channels airflow, and centrally positioned oval exhaust outlets deliver that signature RS growl. The design screams intent, wider, lower, and more dramatic, with black accents and RS badging that make it instantly recognizable as the top-tier performer in the lineup. Powering this beast is Audi Sport's first modular, electrified powertrain in an RS model. At its core sits an extensively revised 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 TFSI engine, now producing 510 PS, 375 kilowatts, and 600 newton-meters of torque on its own. A solid increase thanks to optimizations like a modified Miller combustion cycle for better efficiency under partial load, upgraded turbochargers, improved intercooling, and higher fuel injection pressures. Paired with it is a 130 kilowatts, 177 PS, electric motor integrated into the hybridized 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission, adding 460 newton-meters of instant torque. The combined system output reaches up to 470 kilowatts, 639 PS, and 825 newton-meters, making this the most powerful RS5 ever. Performance figures are blistering. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.6 seconds, with the top speed electronically limited to 250 kilometers per hour standard, or optionally up to 285 kilometers per hour. The hybrid setup enables pure electric driving for up to 84 kilometers, WLTP, more in city conditions at around 87 kilometers. Powered by a 25.9 kilowatt-hour, 22 kilowatt-hour net battery pack mounted under the trunk floor. Charging via an 11 kilowatt AC onboard charger takes about 2.5 hours for a full top-up. In sporty modes, the system prioritizes keeping the battery charged for maximum performance bursts, including a boost button on the steering wheel that unleashes full hybrid power for short intervals. The added electrification brings a notable weight increase. The sedan curves at around 2,355 kilograms, and the Avant at 2,370 kilograms. Roughly 625 kilograms more than the predecessor due to the battery, electric motor, reinforced structure, and larger dimensions. Critics have pointed this out, but Audi counters with advanced chassis tech to maintain agility. The new Quattro system features dynamic torque control, a preloaded center differential for variable front-to-rear split from 70/30 to 15/85. Plus, world-first electromechanical torque vectoring at the rear that redistributes power between left and right wheels in milliseconds via an actuator and overdrive gears. This setup, recalculated every 5 milliseconds, enhances cornering precision, reduces understeer, and allows controlled drifts in RS torque rear mode. Suspension is RS specific, with 5-link front and rear, twin-valve dampers for independent compression and rebound control, and optional adaptive setups that balance comfort and track sharpness. The body is 10% stiffer than the base A5, improving feedback and stability. Braking comes from large, ventilated discs with ceramic options for fade-free performance under hard use. Inside, the cabin blends high-tech minimalism with RS flair. A panoramic MMI display dominates the dashboard, offering crisp graphics, haptic feedback, and intuitive controls. Virtual cockpit instrumentation provides customizable views, including performance data like G-forces, lap times, and torque distribution. Materials include premium leather, Alcantara, carbon inlays, and RS embossing on seats and steering wheel. Front sport seats offer excellent support with heating, ventilation, and massage functions in higher specs. Rear space is generous for a performance model, especially in the Avant, with its foldable seats for added practicality. Technology abounds. Augmented reality head-up display, advanced driver assists, including adaptive cruise with traffic jam assist, lane change support, and emergency braking. The Audi Driving Experience app lets you analyze routes, store sector times, and review drift angles on the racetrack. Ambient lighting, Bang & Olufsen audio, and wireless connectivity keep the interior modern and connected. Despite debates over the weight and shift to hybridization, some fans miss the pure V6 purity. The 2026 RS5 delivers more power, better efficiency, and innovative handling that could outpace rivals in real-world scenarios. With orders opening soon in Europe and deliveries starting summer 2026, this is a bold step forward for Audi Sport. Whether you see it as evolution or compromise, the performance numbers and tech make it impossible to ignore. This is the RS5 redefined for the electrified era.